I want to introduce everyone to the president and the genius behind Banke, Fritz Banke. Fritz, thanks for having us here. Really excited to stand in front of the speed cone. Can you tell us a little bit about why you wanted to develop such a unique mash lauter vessel?
Yeah, we saw we need a different approach to brewhouse technology. We didn't just want to copy existing or using classical technologies. We would be one among hundreds of other suppliers. And I saw this concept from an Austrian brewmaster, and I was impressed to have this brewing performance on such a small footprint.
That's amazing. Can we walk around back and you can show us a little? So Fritz, from standing right here, it's really obvious that we're in a very different type of mash lauter tun. Can you tell us why the design and why it's so effective?
Yeah, you see, that's a very unusual shape for a lauter tun. We have a conical sieve, which you see here. It looks from this view underneath, it looks more like a CCT than like a lauter tun. We have a conical sieve, and this makes a complete different lautering process. So we have let's say, the two processes of sedimentation and filtering have different vectors.
Yep.
And this accelerates the lautering process dramatically. So we are able to lauter here within 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. Lauter. 1 hour. And with a really good efficiency. So also the efficiency of yield is quite good.
Amazing.
And we have combined it. It's not only a lautering system, it's a mesh lauter tun. And so we have an arrangement of two steps in two brewing steps in one vessel. And you see also because of the sieve we are limited in the heating surface. So we have brought the heating outside. We have you see here the special heat exchanger for the mesh.
Yep.
And this allows us not only to heat up the mesh, we have also a special device where we can do not only traditional infusion meshing here, we can also do decoction in one vessel.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, we bring the thick mesh through this heat exchanger. We heat up in one step to decoction temperature, to mesh boiling temperature. Bring the hot mesh above in an own layer.
Yep.
And then when decoction is over, then we agitate and mix it back without any transfer from one tank to the other. So even in decoction, the whole process is really quick.
That's unbelievable. One vessel for traditional mashing, traditional lautering, and then even more so traditional decoction in such a tight little footprint. That's totally unbelievable. And then when we combine the speed cone with the kettle whirlpool to complete the Suit 66 format, a full brew house, we also then have unbelievable total efficiency.
Yeah, that's correct. And we talked only about lautering and meshing, but this concept, as you said, is coming along with a kettle whirlpool. And here we also have installed a new wort boiling system where we achieve highest wort quality, highest stripping efficiency at an evaporation of only 1 to 2% in total.
Amazing.
And we talked only about brewing now, but let's talk about energy efficiency, please. We have sold 6 systems this year because the majority of the system was combined with our new energy management concept. We call it Exergon, Exergon Brew or Exergon Eco. And that's a system with energy recovery into brewing water. Very simple, but very high efficiency. So we get energy consumption numbers like in very big brew houses, which is very, very unusual for such a small system. And especially in Europe, energy prices are still very high, so everybody is looking to reduce the energy consumption. And I think we set the right trend in the market.
That's amazing. So we've got the flexibility of a full-scale brew house, the energy efficiency of a much larger industrial brew house, but we've also got amazing high-quality wort production, amazing energy efficiency, and this tight, compact footprint. That's awesome. Thank you, Fritz.
Yeah, you're welcome. Cheers. Cheers.